Hey learners, hope you all are doing well. I'm sure you all are taking care of yourself. Let's continue with our mission of spreading Vedic maths to the entire world. I've come up with one more trick of Vedic maths, and I'm sure you are loving it. You are excited to learn more and more Vedic tricks, and that we can see from the lovely comments you are giving. So stay tuned till the end. In the previous session of Vedic maths, we saw how to find square of numbers between 50 and 60. Today, we have come with one more Vedic trick, that is multiplying any number with series of 9. Few examples to give, like multiplying 27 with 99. Do you agree? It is multiplying any number with series of 9. 27 with 9999 or 52,345 with 99. Do all these examples fall in this category? Yes. This all examples we are going to solve it using one Vedic trick, that is Nikhilam Navatascharma Dashataha, that is all from 9 and last from 10. Now all these examples which I have given, they fall into three cases, that is depending on the number of digits in the multiplier and number of digits in the multiplicand. Okay, so one case is the number of digits in the multiplicand and the number of digits in the multiplier are same. The number of digits in the multiplier are more and the number of digits in the multiplicand are more. All the three cases we'll discuss one by one. Let's see the first case, that is multiplying a number with equal number of nines. That is the multiplicand number of digits and the number of nines are same. I'll give you the general rule, that is Nikhilam rule, all from 9, last from 10. Now see, we have to multiply A with series of 9. Now how to find out answer? Your answer is always going to be of two parts. I hope you're understanding it. Yes, the first part is going to be 1 less than A, that is A minus 1. And the second part is so easy, you just have to subtract each and every digit of A from 9 and the last digit from 10. And that is what Nikhilam rule is, all from 9 and last from 10. So what you have to apply? Apply all from 9 and last from 10 on which part? A part. And combine these two parts, you'll get your final answer. Isn't it easy? Yes, it is. And that is what the advantage of Vedic maths is. It makes the calculation faster. And obviously, it will make your work also easier and faster. Let's take one example, multiplying 654 into 999. Does it fit in case 1? Yes, the number of digits are same. I hope you agree with me. Now we have to find out answer. I said the answer is made up of two parts. The first part is 1 less than 654. What is 1 less than 654? It is 653. Agreed? And the second part is apply Nikhilam Sutra on 654. That is subtract all from 9 and last from 10. Now quickly tell me, 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 5 is 4 and 10 minus 4 is 6. That's all. This is your final answer. Isn't it easy? Yes, I'm sure it is clear to you. Please comment in the comment box. Let's take one more example. We are multiplying 9994 with 9999. Is it also in case 1? Yes. Now your answer is made up of two parts. Tell me the first part. First part is 1 less than 9994. And what is 1 less than 9994? 9993. And the second part is all from 9 and last from 10 on this A part. So tell me fast. 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. And 10 minus 4, 6. That's all. Combine this. That is going to be your final answer. Isn't it easy? Yes. Let's take one more example. I'm sure you're really enjoying it. Now, some may ask if there are decimals. I'm sure going to tell you how to do it. I'll take a separate session on decimal. There is no separate sutra for it. You have to use the same sutra. Just I'll tell you how to put decimals. Let's take one more example. Multiplying 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is 4,56,789 by 99999 are the number of digits in both cases same? Yes. Now the answer, as I said, is made up of two parts. Tell me the first part. First part is 1 less than the A. Now what is 1 less than this A part? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. The second part is apply Nicolam Sutra on your multiplicand. So tell me fast. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 8, 1. And 10 minus 9, 1. Combine this both, that is your final answer. I hope you are getting it. Isn't it? Yes. That's all for today. In the next session, we'll discuss about the second case and the third case. Till then, keep learning, keep evolving, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you. God bless you. See you in the next video.